Hey guys, Smuggler's Build here, and today I'm going to build Bullseye from the Daredevil comics. So first, we're going to go to lower parts. I'm just going to click that. Usually I would go into the folder and click the plus, but I'm not going to do that today. So we're going to change that to white so that they become white and black. Then we're going to go to upper parts, collectible minifigures, like a Batman movie, and we're going to use the torso from the calculator, and we're going to change. We're actually going to get rid of the arms and hands. Then we're going to go back to minifigures. We can actually do this vice versa, but I just choose to do it, and I just choose to pick the fig first and do everything later. Then we're going to move this forward. Turn this white. Then we're going to heads, collectible minifigures. Then we're going to go back to the Lego Batman movie. And then we're going to turn this black. Then I'm going to center it. Actually, I want to center it on the torso. That's how you do the main minifigure. Now we're going to give him his weapons. I'm going to have to turn him just a little bit. Put one there. We're going to go to pearl scent, metallic silver. Do the same thing for the other one. And there you have it. That's how you make Bullseye. This is a very easy build, as you can see. Unfortunately, you can see purple. Yeah, you can't change that. You can't change that. They don't give you that option. But this is the kind of closest you'll ever get to making the character Bullseye, unless you find another way. But this is the only version that I really liked doing. So if you like builds like this, hit the notifications, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.